Hi YouTube, welcome once again to my channel, lovelies. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara Gele. This is the Nigeria or African Gele. It is being made by, I'll be creating it today with Ankara. So guys, please stay tuned. So the first step you do is for you to print the Ankara. You print it so that it will have. You will be printing it like this. Print it about 20 steps or 25 steps, depends on the steps you want. Make sure the printing is make sure it's step by step. Then you can now carry the Ankara, put it on your head, then you can start. Now as you are printing, you're arranging it just as I'm doing it there. You keep on arranging it. Make sure the printing is well arranged. And you can also print it from the up as I'm doing it there. You can be picking it from the up little by little. Don't worry, I know to title is stressful, but little by little you will get it. Because practice make perfect. So the more you do it, the more you will be able to achieve that fine look. Like me now, the more I'm doing it now, the more my hand will be stronger on it, and the more I'll be able to be doing more beautiful styles. Guys, sorry for how I'm doing my face. I was not feeling too well the day I was making this video, so just trying to tie quick all the gele so I can go and rest. I was just having headache and I was feeling very tired.